Alright, today I want to talk about sneakers. I'm not a sneakerhead, disclaimer. I like my pairs that I have. I like to collect a few of them, I would say. But it's not like I have a huge collection and I'm looking forward for what's coming next. What matters to me is that they are comfortable and the design to some extent. I don't care about the brand, the price, the designer. I don't care about those things. But I want to talk today because something traumatic happened. I have a pair that just I can't wear anymore. And that's so sad because that's my favorite pair ever. My favorite pair that I ever stepped in. And it's this one. Let me show you. So it's an Adidas. It's the EQT Support PK from Primeknit and ADV 9118. So that's these wonderful shoes that you can see here. So this is my favorite ever sneaker that I ever had. And I wore it so much all the time that, as you can see now, it's damaged here. I'm gonna try to get someone to get it fixed. I think I can get it fixed, but there's pretty much a hole now here. And since it's knitted, you can see, probably like here I can show you, yeah. So it's just a hole and some of the hooks here are broken, and so yeah, I can't wear it anymore. Shame. That's really my favorite pair of shoes. The first time I stepped in those shoes, my eyes rolled back like, ugh. Like I never had shoes before, and it was the first time I was stepping in a good pair of shoes. I have some good one from Nike. I have some Adidas. I have some other brands as well. But even though I was a early user of the Boost technology from Adidas, this was nothing compared to this pair here. This pair was amazing. It was like everything was great, and you stepped in those shoes, and everything was even better. You know, it's like you take a Vicodin, but you're not hurt, so you feel great. You take one, and you're like, oh my god, all my body was hurting, and I didn't know. That's the same feeling. Exactly the same. But they don't make those shoes anymore. You can't find them anywhere. There was a one-off. And that's a little bit what bothered me with sneakers nowadays, is that I found this amazing pair that is really comfortable. I love the design, I love to wear them. They're damaged. I can't buy them anymore. I will try to fix it because you can see the base, it's not detached. Everything is still, don't need to glue it back or anything. Everything is still tightly packed in there. The sole is not that much damaged, just a little bit here. But otherwise it's pretty clean. I wore it for a year, maybe a little bit less, but now I have this big hole here. And that's what troubled me, so can't find it anywhere, and that's the problem. That's the problem. Nowadays you get a lot of like one-off, one batch, like okay, we're gonna make that many of those, we're not gonna make it anymore. So the sneakerheads can buy all the different versions and everything, so they can collect them all. And that's kind of sad because now I can't find those ones again. But I found an alternative, and that's what I have today. Boom! We got a package! So I'm gonna open those ones that they look a little bit like the one I had. Not exactly the same, that's the best option I could find. You can't find them anymore. I was lucky to find them on, I think, one retailer in Germany. I like one last pair in my size that they were trying to get rid of. So those shoes are normally 200 plus euros, but I got them for like 50 or something. They're out of stock for a long time, even longer than the one I had before, I think. But they're the one that look the most like the one I love. So hopefully they're also as comfortable as the one I have. So let's get in there. Of course, we got no knife. Here they are. So let me check. Yeah, that's better. So here they are, NMD CS1 Parlay PK for Priminate. So that's knitted shoes. So that should be my size. Let's see what's inside. Oh boy. Yeah, they look good. They look freaking good. Damn. So this is the new pair I have. So I don't know if you can see here. So this is a Boost base. So this is the little bubble technology that you have from Adidas. Those usually are really comfortable. I have several pair of running shoes that use this technology. That's pretty comfortable. What's nice on this pair is that as you can see here, so the Boost base is directly in contact with the sole here, so there's just kind of cover on it, but you can see it directly from the sole. So that's kind of I haven't seen that before. Not much, I guess, other than those. And there is the Priminate. So that's a little bit a different design from the one that I had before. None of those shoes are new, okay? They all from at least 1 or 2 years ago, okay? And yeah, so that's a little bit of a different design, but that's in the same, I would say the same vibe. So that's why I picked those ones. So this is not reinforced here as it is on the other pair, but they should do it. They look pretty clean. This is the thing I don't like that much here. Kind of foamy square here for the branding. That's okay, but yeah, and that's why I was not a big fan of those in the past. Here I don't know, the number's supposed to change, I guess, based on the number of shoes. I don't know. So here they are. And we got the other one. Can't wait to try them and see if my I will get the same feeling. Probably not, because the sole is a little bit different. Okay. To get rid of. Boom! Taking off my Nikes, which, by the way, those ones are awesome. If you can get a pair of those, they got this like kind of cover here. It's look like an octopus skin, I would say. They're awesome. Those are freaking great. All right. Also, small detail here. Maybe it's good to, I don't know if we can see. Yeah, here we go. There's no sole here. That's also maybe something I will add one, but god damn. Look at those, baby. Just maybe a little thing I would say about this pair. Hey, this is this is YouTube as it speak, okay? So what I would say a little bit is that it's folding here. That's maybe only the little thing I could say about this pair. Is that, yeah. So if I stand straight, you see there's folds here, which I don't have with the other one. That's maybe the only little thing I would say about this pair of shoes. And now my desk is all messy. Alright, so that was all. I just wanted to talk a little bit about my sneakers. And what I like, you barely can find this design anymore. Maybe a lot for female shoes, but not for male shoes, unfortunately. So it's really difficult to find ones that look like this nowadays. I don't know why. Maybe it was okay 2 years ago. Now it's more difficult. So you can with Nike, I know. With Adidas, it's much more difficult, and the other brand, it's not okay. So, all right. that's all for. I had nothing else prepared. I just wanted to talk a little bit about my sneakers and how much I love those type of shoes, and that I would like to see more of them. If you have some suggestions, please feel free to share, because I'm always looking for something new or something that I would like. So that would be much appreciated. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.